In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a particular area of an image in PowerPoint 2019. This technique is incredibly useful for highlighting or concealing certain parts of an image, which can help sharpen the focus of your presentation or maintain the privacy of certain information. To start off, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the correct presentation loaded that you'd like to work on. Once you've opened your presentation, you'll need to navigate to the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of the window. From here, select the Pictures option. Clicking this will prompt a menu to pop up, where you'll select the option labeled This Device. This is a cue for you to browse your computer to find the specific image you plan to edit. Go ahead and locate your image file and then insert it into your presentation. With your image now on the slide, the next step is to create a duplicate of the image. Achieve this by selecting the image and using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it, and then Ctrl+V to paste. What you have now are two identical images stacked on top of each other. It's crucial to make sure they are perfectly aligned. This will ensure that the effect looks seamless once you're done editing. Now, select the top copy and look to the ribbon again, but this time under the Picture Format tab. This tab houses various editing options specifically for images. Locate the crop tool. It's positioned on the top right of this tab. Clicking crop allows you to trim down the image. So go ahead, click again to confirm the crop function, and isolate the part of the image you want to blur by resizing the cropping box accordingly. Take your time here, ensuring the edges are aligned as you like. When you're satisfied with how you've cropped the image, it's time to apply the blur effect. Still within the Picture Format tab, look under the Adjust section and you'll find Artistic Effects. Clicking here will bring up a gallery of effects, and among these options, you should choose Blur. Instantly, you'll see the specified area take on a soft, obscured effect, effectively drawing attention away from or to the area, depending on your ultimate goal. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool to transform how information is visually conveyed within your PowerPoint presentations. Whether you're preparing a professional report or a personal slideshow, being able to control the clarity and focus of an image is a valuable skill. Practice this a couple of times and you'll get even more comfortable navigating these steps in PowerPoint 2019. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful.